Princess House offers amazing rewards in Period 1. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. In Period 1 only, new consultants that join Princess House with personal sales totaling $750 in their first active period receive this Princess House portable blender and Vidasana small produce saver valued at $119.90. And in Period 1, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period receive this Princess House electric kettle valued at $239.95. Additionally, in Period 1, new consultants that generate an additional $750 for a total of $1,500 in personal sales in their first active period receive this 13-inch nonstick straining skillet valued at $244.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.